Welcome to the book by Thomas Erickson entitled Surrounded by Idiots. In this book, Thomas Erickson tried to analyze human personalities in terms of colors: blue, yellow, green, and red. We have analyzed three colors, and so today I'm going to analyze the fourth color, and that is green. We see the personality of people who have got green personality. The green personality is neutral, most common of all personalities. Many personalities, they belong to the green personalities. It is the middle ground between the four colors. They balance out the most extreme of the behavioral traits of other personality traits. Greens are calmer. They are calm people. They are not emotional. They take a slow approach to life. These people, they rarely take time to make decisions. They are very, very slow. They don't have issue of time. These people, they don't keep time. It's very hard for greens to keep time. Green personalities. To them, time is not of essence. Greens focus more on the big picture. They are also more passive. They are not very aggressive. They are not very competitive. They are very passive, yes, and green worry above everything that may happen. They are people who are always worrying. They feel threatened. They feel as if anything can happen. To the green, security is always important. These people, the green personalities, they keep on panicking, and they are no longer at peace with life. They always tend to think things can go wrong and they are going to be affected. That is the green personalities. I hope you have enjoyed the book Surrounded by Idiots by Thomas Erickson. Then ask yourself, among the four colors, yellow, green, blue, and red, where do you belong? Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you for listening to me. I welcome you to my channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. Have an amazing day. Thank you.